Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to crop and resize videos in Canva for platforms like TikTok. Open Canva and create a new video project. Go to the Uploads tab, click Upload Files, and select your video. Drag it onto the page. Click the video to select it. In the toolbar, find the crop icon. On the left panel, choose your desired aspect ratio like TikTok's 9:16 vertical format. Adjust the video's position in the preview screen to frame it perfectly. Next, go to Resize in the toolbar, click Video, select TikTok video. Click Resize designed to adjust the canvas. Fine-tune the video's placement and size to fill the page. And that's it. If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Canva tips. Happy editing!